Everything I ate on New Year's Eve. I got a Keurig for Christmas, so I'm still new at how to open these boxes. It also took me a while to realize it wasn't working because I didn't put any water in it. I got there eventually. I put some white chocolate, Terry's chocolate orange, in my hot chocolate. Started a new puzzle while watching Killing Eve. For breakfast, I made a guava mango, frozen blueberry, frozen spinach smoothie. And had some cashews, cranberries, and pecans. For lunch, I made turkey and fixins pie and hard-boiled some eggs for meal prep. While I was doing that, made some gravy, air-fried some frozen veggies, put that all together, and that was lunch. Had a piece of salted brownie chocolate. For dinner, I made an egg salad sandwich with a side of pickles and chips and dip and a ginger beer. Chilled with the cat. Gave up on my puzzle for a bit. Had some of these blue raspberry candies. For tea, I decided to make an iced coffee. My brother gave me this giant 1-pound Santa for Christmas. I couldn't bear to cut his head off yet, so I just cut off part of the chimney. Look how thick the peanut butter is in there. Also had a Mr. Kipling Christmas slice and a gingerbread peep. Thanks for watching.